Thank you for joining us today. We wish you could be here in person, but your health and safety and that of our community is of the utmost importance. So we hope you will find this virtual event helpful. There are a handful of decisions you make in life that will change your destiny. Choosing a college is one of them. We're excited about the prospect of having you join this vibrant community where great minds are challenged every day and explore and excel through support and mentorship of our dedicated and highly talented faculty. I've learned to choose universities where such mentorship is embedded in the institution. That is Seton Hall. When you enter these doors, you will find a home. A home, as our father James Roosevelt Bailey called it, for the mind, heart, and spirit. A place that will nurture you to become your very best self, intellectually curious, open to new ideas and challenges, and eager for the rigors of academic discourse. As a Catholic university, our faith calls us to form a community, one founded on the principles of respect and acceptance. It's why Seton Hall is considered by many of us to be a home away from home, a caring and supportive community centered around universal values and always focused on trying to instill in our community the desire to make a difference and help others. We are committed to your success. We have small class sizes, outstanding faculty who will know you and will know your work and will work closely with you from the beginning of your freshman year. One of the things that sets us apart is that we provide amazing opportunities and advantages to our students as undergraduates, opportunities that many institutions would reserve for graduate students, like research and conference attendance, working alongside faculty members on new innovations in science and other disciplines, or taking on a leadership role for a student activity, or working in one of our 3 newspapers, or our radio station, which is ranked #1 in the nation and was recently inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Our students have the chance to shine and stand out, as evidenced by the tremendous success and opportunities our students find here and beyond, from amazing internship opportunities to alumni mentorship and support from your dedicated career advisor. 93% of our students find employment shortly after graduation, and 99% are admitted to graduate schools. It's one of the reasons we've been named one of the best schools in the country for return on investment. As a parent and as a first-generation college student, I know firsthand the challenges of affording and succeeding in college. This is why I'm so proud of our commitment to affordability. This year, we will provide more than $100 million in scholarships and grant aid to over 95% of our students. It's why we are also ranked as one of the best values in the country. I hope you will join us this fall and enrich your life with these incredible opportunities and put yourself on a path to great success. I wish you the best of luck, and go Pirates.